When I wake up in the morning and the alarm gives out a warning, I don't think I'll ever make it on time. By the time I grab my books and I give myself a look, I'm at the corner just in time to see the bus fly by. It's alright, cause I'm saved by the bell. If the teacher pops a test, I know I'm in a mess, and my dog ate all my homework last night. Riding low in my chair, she won't know that I'm there. If I can hand it in tomorrow, it'll be alright. It's alright, cause I'm saved by the bell. It's alright, cause I'm saved by the bell. It's alright, cause I'm saved by the bell. It's alright, cause I'm saved by the...
Hey guys, Glenny Grits here with Glenny Grits Juice, coming to you from Coach Cheesy's house in San Diego, California. And on tonight's episode, I bring you Point Loma High, saved by the bell pepper. Let's go. Hey guys, as always, before I introduce the star of tonight's show, I want to get into kind of what inspired tonight's episode. It's really not hard to tell, okay? Point Loma High, saved by the bell pepper, okay? I was sitting around, I'm a big TV guy, I was watching Saved by the Bell. I had been wanting to do an episode with bell peppers. I had actually got hit up in one of the juice forums I'm on in Facebook, and one of the young ladies had asked me to do a bell pepper episode. So I just thought it would be perfect. Also, with the passing of Screech, Dustin Diamond passing away of small cell lung carcinoma stage 4 on February 1st. The guy was 44 years old, you know what I mean? Way too young to go. So I am dedicating this episode to him and his family. R.I.P. Screech. He was huge in my upbringing. Like I said, me and all of my friends, we watched this show religiously, and I still watch reruns. I was actually watching Saved by the Bell the college years. So without further ado, guys, I'd like to get into you and introduce tonight's newest cast member, guys. Bell peppers. Get a shot of this, Coach Cheese. Look at that. Bell peppers, guys. These things are amazing, okay? Bet you guys didn't know these are actually a fruit and not a vegetable. That's right, a fruit and not a vegetable, guys. I picked red specifically. These are going to have the most nutrients in them, guys, okay? Red, they're going to be on the vine the longest, so they're going to be packed full of nutrients, okay? If you guys have arthritis, suffer from asthma, things like that, these things are amazing to help ward off those type of things, okay? It's packed full of vitamin C, potassium, folate, you name it. These things are amazing, okay? I prefer eating them raw because when you actually do cook them, you actually cook out some of the potency of the vitamin C, so you lose some of that nutrients. So I prefer to eat them raw, okay? And that's the star of tonight's show. Let's go. Big time. Hey guys, I want to introduce the rest of the supporting cast here. Come on in here, Coach Cheesy. Tonight I'm introducing blood oranges, guys. These things have anthocyanins, which is a type of antioxidant, which actually gives them that red color. They're amazing, okay? Packed full of vitamin C. That's what we're going for, is immune boosting, okay? Lemons. I love lemons. I've been putting a lot in my juices lately, guys. It's good for digestion. It's good for weight loss. It's good for your skin. And it's amazing. It's going to make a good combo with this juice, okay? And of course, carrots, guys. One of my favorite. Beta carotene. Gotta have it. Good for the eyes. And it's just like I said, it's all going to pair well, okay? The oranges with the lemon, the carrots, and then with the bell pepper. It's going to be a very delicious juice, guys. I can't wait to get this juiced. I'm going to get all this stuff prepared. Let's go. Glenny Grits Juice. You know how we do.
Life.
Hey guys, I got everything prepared. Let's get to juicing, my favorite part. Let's go.
give myself a look. I'm at the corner just in time to see the bus fly by. It's alright, cause I'm saved by the bell. If the teacher pops a test, I know I'm...
Hey guys, got the finished product right here. As always, I'm gonna pour me and Coach Cheesy a nice glass. Come on in here, Coach Cheesy. Look at the color on that. Beautiful. Beautiful. As always, guys, I want to thank you guys for tuning in, stopping by. I appreciate all the love. Please subscribe to my channel. Ring the bell. Give me a thumbs up, guys. And as always, remember, keep healthy grits. Let's go. Wow, that's going to keep me out of Mr. Belding's office big time.
When I wake up in the morning and the alarm gives out a warning, I don't think I'll ever make it on time. By the time I grab my books and I give myself a look, I'm at the corner just in time to see the bus fly by. It's alright, cause I'm saved by the bell. If the teacher pops a test, I know I'm in a mess, and my dog ate all my homework last night.
What the fuck's going on here? Hey guys, Glenny Grits with Glenny Grits Juice here. Coming to you lot. Fuck! Already fucked it up.
Take one.
Hey guys, before I get into introducing the... Fuck. Alright.
You sure you're ready?
Alright, here we go.
Sure you're ready?
Sure.
All right. Cut.